dance about.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yoder, or 32 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yoder and rural areas of northeast El Paso County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.